Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking chicken onion noodles. This is a simple and easy but delicious recipe. I believe you will like it. Okay, let's start cooking now. 150 gram chicken. I used the chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh. Cut the chicken to thin slices. I like to cut the chickens diagonally so each piece will be thinner and bigger. Marinate the chicken with half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1/8 of baking soda. Mix all the seasonings well with the chicken and then put half tablespoon oil in. Mix the oil well with the chicken again and then set it aside. Half an onion and cut it to thin slices and then separate the layers. Four shiitake mushrooms, cut it to slices. Two pieces pork choy, cut the ends and then wash clean under the tap water and then cut it to long strips. Finally, the noodles. I used 300 grams of these yellow noodles. They are pre-cooked and usually coated with a layer of oil. I do not like the noodles too oily, therefore I like to rinse it under the tap water for a couple of times to get rid of the oil. If you don't mind the oil, you can just leave it there. Put 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to the noodles, mix it well with the noodles, and then set it aside. Now we start cooking. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Put the shiitake mushrooms in, saute until they are slightly softened and the fragrance released, and then push to the side. Put another tablespoon of oil to the pan, put the chicken in, and pan fry until both sides turn slightly brown. And then mix with the shiitake mushrooms. Give everything a few good toasts. Chicken meat has to be fully cooked. Therefore, I added 60 ml water in. Put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give everything a few good stirs, and then put the pork choy in. Stir fry everything for about 30 seconds and then transfer to a plate. Put the pan back to the stove. Put the noodles in. Season the noodles with half teaspoon garlic powder and stir fry for about 1 minute with high heat. As I don't use a lot of oil in this cooking, to prevent the noodle get burned, I pour in a little bit water to moisture the noodles and for easier toasting. After stir frying for 1 minute, put the chicken, pork choy, a little bit more water, and the onion in, and then season the noodles with 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Give everything a few good toasts for about 30 seconds. Do a final tasting, add more salt if needed. After adding the salt, remember to give everything a few more good stirs. This noodle dish is done. This noodle dish is very simple to make but flavorful and delicious. The noodles are coated with soy-based sauce and chewy. The chicken is juicy and tender, and the onion and pork choy are crisp. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!